Hello, today is December 10th, so I want to talk about why the number 10 is important to particle physicists. Now, when we look at hadronic matter, we find it comes in two forms. We have mesons, which are equal part matter and antimatter, and they can tell us a lot about the couplings of the different particles. They're really cool. And we also have the baryons, and the baryons are made of 3 quarks, and the antibaryons are made of 3 antiquarks. And so they're either matter or antimatter. They're not a mixture like the mesons were, they're one or the other. Now, the lowest lying states for the baryons are the proton and the neutron. And the proton is stable, and the neutron, when it's hanging around protons and neutrons, is stable as well. And that is how we get solid matter like this table. Now, the baryons arrange themselves in a very special way. In the lowest state, they actually form an octet. You can actually draw a diagram that looks like a hexagon. But the next most excited state up is what is known as the baryon decuplet, and that means there are 10 particles in this multiplet. So the baryon decoupler actually is a way of arranging these baryons into a triangle. And so along the bottom you have the lightest of the decouplet, and these are the deltas, and one of these is the delta plus plus. It's a really cool particle because it's doubly charged, it's 3 up quarks. And you go to the next level up and you get the sigma stars, they're the excited sigma particles, and the next level up, these are the cascade star particles. They have a cascade decay and they're excited. And for quite a while that was all we had. We had this sort of trapezium shape, and people predicted that there would be a 10th particle at the top. They predicted its mass, its lifetime, what it would decay to, and this was discovered in a single event. And this is the Omegaminus. This is 3 strange quarks put together. And so this discovery vindicated what was known as the quark model of the hadrons. And it's still the model we have today. It's a very successful theory, and it leads to a rich variety of particles. Anyway, the decoupler is one of the crowning jewels in the quark model, and so that is one of the reasons why it's awesome. This weekend a feature-length zombie movie was released, and the movie is set at CERN, so I'd recommend you watch it. I'll put the trailer here, and I'll put the links to the actual movie down here, and the link to where you can download it in the description. It was made by graduate students and postdocs at CERN, and a lot of effort went into it over the period of about 2 years. I'm an extra in one of the scenes towards the end, although I'll be impressed if you can spot me. Anyway, go watch the movie, download it, share it with friends. It's a very, very fun movie to watch. See you tomorrow.